Hi guys, welcome to our studio apartment. Come on in. So I wanted to highlight a few things so you get an idea of what you're gonna get. But right when we walk in, we have this great big closet. This is one of our smallest apartments, so it's really great that you get some extra storage space. Then right over here, we have a washer and dryer. Washer and dryers are included in every single apartment, even our smallest one. And then over here we have the bathroom. This is one of our smallest bathrooms. It's still really great. You still get storage, and this tub is deeper and larger than most apartments' bathtubs. So if you're a bath taker, you will love this. Here we get to the main living space. Now, you still have a couple closets. They have racks and shelving, which I think is fantastic. It gives you a lot of creativity with your storage space. And then I love this living space too because you can get really creative with your furniture. But my favorite feature of the Chelsea studio is these gorgeous bay windows. They bring in a ton of natural light. They're really fun and they're really beautiful to look at. As we walk through here, we get to the kitchen space. Now, as I mentioned before, this is our smallest apartment, square footage wise. But as you can see, this is a really comfortable kitchen. You still get all of the appliances and you have a ton of cabinet and drawer space. So if you are interested in this apartment or if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Our phone number is 208-356-7786 or email me at lise@thevillagerex.com. Thanks, guys. Bye.